Hi, it's Tasha with WTI. This dress is cool, inexpensive, and fuss-free, and I feel that it's a perfect dress for any summer occasion. The small, subtle details really make this dress with a little eyelet, and I love how it used elastic on the sleeves. It has a perfect liner so the dress is not see-through. The elastic in the sleeve gives it a little puff, just makes it adorable. The colorful print is wonderful. It's not too bold and it's not a floral print, but it's such vibrant colors that are perfect for summer. It's cute and fun and it makes the perfect outfit for a warm day. You can't go wrong wearing this cute summer dress, whether it's going to the office, out with friends, or to a special event. This is a gorgeous dress which is very comfortable and relaxing. This has become a perfect addition to my summer wardrobe. It's lightweight and breathable, and this dress really is designed to keep me cool and comfortable all day long. And that's my point of view.